addition to comparing the growth rates of winter annuals in this plot, we're also comparing the growth rates when they are fertilized versus left unfertilized. The recommendation for winter annuals is 50 pounds to the acre of nitrogen early in the growing season, which is what we've done here, and then another 50 pounds per acre of nitrogen in February to mid-March. This plot was planted on October 2nd, fertilized on November 24th, and today is January the 6th, so let's see how it's doing. This is our barley. We fertilized half of the plot, and you can tell that on my left, the barley that was fertilized is responding very well. These are the oats, and you can tell that they have also responded very well to fertilization. We would get ready to graze these oats. They are mature and ready to graze, and we don't want them to get too mature before we graze them. This is our triticale, and while it's still responding well to the fertilizer, in this particular plot it's not responding as well as some of our other varieties. This is our mix. As you can tell, just like in some of our standalone varieties, the oats are coming up very quickly and maturing faster than some of our other varieties. This is our fertilized mix. Several of the varieties that are responding well to the fertilizer in the standalone plots are responding well in the mix. This is our drilled cereal rye, unfertilized and fertilized. It is not showing quite as much production as some of our early maturing species at this time of year. This is our drilled ryegrass, unfertilized and fertilized. We did not see very much of a response to the fertilizer in this application, but we do expect more growth from the ryegrass in the spring. In our varieties that were broadcast, you can see a lot patchier establishment, which leads to a lot more weed pressure in comparison to some of our varieties that were drilled.